adwen boni we be na nka ayi ensu ato adwen fie wo mutrimi e be na nyame ato sabe ensu papa e de ato man so mo sorry a de bia mo de tese oh Farouk, it's okay. You can disagree with my submission, but it's the fact. Why? Whether I'm useless or not, it is the fact. Whatever I'm saying here is the fact. If you have any alternative fact, put it there. Which party, let me tell you this, which party sent or made Okada illegal in Ghana? I know say me. And I know someone and you could read in Abe say NDC John Bahama. Sa ye jam bio hwe na me awrade eya na ye me ya o hwe ye nuanom nkramufo na so me there people don't agree with me I won't say me ye nkramo and everything but I feel say they have been left behind so many times. Believe me, government ya beni na nhye dan ti nani amfa nhwe ye nuanom in that and it hurts. It's a bad say I know say they hearing it na be yom ya but it is the truth. We have left them behind so long. Inti for obi beba utie na obeka se debi ye nuanom yi debia ye ba na ya be o na inner city development o no ma pe bibi kakra me nipa kakra bi no. Why don't we create a whole ministry? You know what that does? That means say ye kojiska aba behwe Ghana afa de ye wo budget ya ye de hwe zongo nko. You guys don't learn. It's paint like a yama say they don't even know say this is what Akufo-Addo and his MPP government is doing for them. It sucks. It sucks. When Akufo-Addo is thinking about what? Building ICT centers in our Zongos. When Akufo-Addo is thinking about training more of our Zongo peoples in school and everything, you leave Mahama, he tells you he wants to build what? He wants to build mortuary. Because some of the other person will see you move from the end. Sebe, unsi mortuary ne momuno, yensi ye nuanom enkremu for the bia. Adia ba ko ye me fe wo mo kra so omu sie no hono so kra ne se omu no nya dia ye be ya ne te se ye de ya de nipa sha fridge mu a watue ska nipa isu awu. Kremoni ya uti anye ye kura sa da no kura no omutumi ye den omutumi siewu nkremufuo intanka intervention a sebe etumi peja sorry code for me chiamo etumi peja zongo fu a ankenya se omo awu na nsa abebo omo Mr. Mahama. You want them to die before you help them? Akufo-Addo wants to what? Make them employable. Akufo-Addo is trying to give them ICT centers. Akufo-Addo is building astroturfs in their Zongos. So that we can have the Sulemuntaris, we can have the Asamwejans, and we can have the Baba Ramans and those boys. Ishao kunumu ebebe ofui. Officer brochire beka mnumu sorry ya na sebe. Omo bebo obo. First na Ghana okobobo ane wusu because obeba no obo urentu a wata aso atwa coins. Enne kohwe enkrofo eyi wo de ko Ghana kohwe. Astro tef ne sebe enye scan na edisi ye. Wan ne kofa baaye. Enye finance for na munnim amambuo ntino moto na NDC for we ya 29 years ye de asho mo nsa ubisa mo say ti ne we he ya nom cap ne we he ya bon ene emu ma bi da bi enye ye be kunipa kura ye be kunipa Alhaji Nasiru NDC Nasara coordinator kese mo de ye kunipa ye be setai ye be se market Jimmy ofui o se market ama Mahama no market na NDC for so di dwa ho utie Sidren welcome Kaneshina wo kwoshe no enye MPP for nko na egu o NDC force shops wo enti wo share NDC for ba mo de anything for power. You want to address the nation. It's okay. Go and sit on your Facebook and address because you nimse ntontro na wo beka de na abeka o men mu ayeden. Akufo-Addo admit say o men mu ayeden. Enti achenkwana na wonu mbre mu anyansa hye ne tinumu. Ose wo be den one ne nkrofo be den ebe kasa one ne man ebe kasa ono ene nyame asra ne ngo se otumi ne man kasa ene agenshira na ye ene agenshira na ye Ghana yeja ene his excellency Nana Addo Danko Akufo-Addo the obo captain ma Akufo-Addo eye papa na wo ye nitisa adwe no wo hu no ye friend ne bawo change the game bawo let them run rikata ba omi akasa pepepe na NDC for to wurem mi nim otelebe bi so ana ma koka no hwe de ekosu ni na otowa onu bo na adwuma wa ye din no ne nkrofo bo adwuma he Why you din on Nkrofo Bo adwuma? Be head ya NDC for ye. And now mekasa, you should come and talk. You should come and talk. But we me because says ya so many na beto wure, but dem pam me hwe. Because of the be mom we say wham, wham, wham. He beam. De bia mo ba na e brim mo. Papa to so anama koka no. Last yi bia na me hwe. National Geography bi na jate bi dan baby. Na sa boy my friend is saying oh, highness din then highness hyena like you know oh abua kakraka dan baby a or kopre no. Now the way I want done the way I is just say that done no speed be hyena and 2 Americano but we at the baby no and a brabekasa o kasa so anoma to wudem mon fere shade de bia mo de bia pinkan so na de bia lagadre. We are here, we will fight, we will agree. Sir mo farmer yen any electric post ni e betwam ofui wusu fie wo ho twa electric pole no so bedasum mu utwa electric pole no mu a wo mo fo so for ka kire say mo hyehyehye market mo ntutwa jan to banks mu a bank na NDC fo so sie ska wo ho ma se dodo na ka kire mo say ba wo mianom adawrement game na asesa they say you met now ngete di gbegbe ni bio say we speak with fact. Mama me monsieur ba ko na mo share page no. I say, oh, no too much politics. Bra, Saforo TV, me pesa me too much politics. But sometimes I had na dia mo ye na enyefe. Mutie, na dia mo nkrofo ni bi ye no. Enyefe because e ba ne sen. Na ye dadum som no obi antumi amba address yen. Say be Ghana ye we two presidents. President sets up a corona team. Opposition so no so set up with corona team. Adenti. Just to cause distortion. When you were president, how many addresses were you even able to give to your people with the hardship you put them through? You were not paying nobody's school fees, yet you couldn't keep the lights on. Did you address that? Did you address that, Mr. Mahama? Did you address that? And again, Saforo TV, if you want to talk about the dollar, I'll be glad to talk about the dollar. And the reason why I'll be glad to talk about the dollar is that number one, number one, Sankeye, me de bia meka, enanka sidi nkwa, ena ne ho akire no, ewo sebe currency ni mu a, and as against the dollar. Fine. I will start having serious conversations about this. Baby edano, not too good. But are we better off? We are way better off than so many countries, including G7 countries. And these are facts. The facts alternative. That is how I deal with my thing. Because as we speak, okay, as we